Hi, this is Colin from Watch Off the Cuff. In a moment, I'm going to show you how to remove the crown and stem assembly from this Lady Citizen watch, the movement number S031A. Before I do that, please consider becoming a member of the channel. If you do so, there are free digital downloads, technical resources, etc. available at watchoffthecuff.com, as well as watchmaker using tools and supplies, etc. Anyway, thanks for watching as always, and let's take you to the video portion that you actually came here to see. Hi, this is Colin from Watch Off the Cuff. I'm going to show you how to remove the crown and stem assembly from a Citizen S031A watch movement. I've pulled the crown out here so it's easy for me to push it in. You can see it move. Inside this cutaway here, there's a little arrow pointing to it. You can see that little black dot is the dimple that needs to be pressed. You can see it move. If I press this in, you can see it becomes more visible. So we need to press that and pull out the crown as we do so. So I'm just going to come around here and try to do it without blocking the view. So I'm going to come in and press this dimple just gently, and out comes the crown and stem. And then to put it back in, we shouldn't have to press it again. We just need to place it back in the watch, gently give it a little turn, and back in it goes.